This is Jewel with Zenty going over how to make multiple scenes within a layout and group with our IP300/400 system. So first we're going to create a group. This will be our 2x2 video wall. We'll hit OK. And now we're going to create our video wall. This is going to be labeled 2x2 video wall, VW. 2 rows, 2 columns. Hit OK. Now we're going to create our layout and scene. We're going to select our decoders. So that'll be our left Samsung TV, our right one, left TCL, right TCL. All right, so we're going to select them all and hit combine to solidify our video wall. This can be confirmed with the dotted lines and the blue border. So now that we have our video wall here, we can actually drag over one of our sources, and we'll see that here. But first, what we want to focus on is creating another scene. So let's say we want another, we want a 1x2 for the top two and a 1x2 for the bottom two. We're going to hit create another scene, 1x2 top. That'll create a new scene where you can start fresh. We're going to select the top two, right click and hit combine, 1x2 top. Now we have a combined TV, 2 TVs at the top to create our 1x2 video wall. So now we're going to create a third scene, which will be our 1x2 for the bottom two. 1x2 bottom. We now have a new scene. We're going to select our bottom two and hit combine, 1x2 bottom, hit OK. Now this is confirmed with the dotted lines and the blue borders that we have a new video wall. So this is our top, then our back to our 2x2. And let's say we want one more where all TVs are standalone. We can just select 1x1. No TVs will be combined. They can all be a standalone and a matrix at that point. So this has been how to create multiple scenes within your group or layout. Thank you for watching.